Are the default icon sizes on your Samsung phone too small or too large? In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily change the icon size on your Samsung device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung phone, scroll down a bit, and tap Home Screen. After that, tap where it says Home Screen Grid, and then choose the app icon size you like. Right now it's set to 5x6, so the icon size is small. You can select 5x5, 4x6, or 4x5. And you can also see a preview of what the app icons are going to look like. Once you've selected the app icon size you like, tap Done to save your changes. You can also change the app icon size on the app screen. To do that, tap where it says App Screen Grid, and then select the app icon size you like. You can select 5x6, 5x5, 4x6, or 4x5. Tap Done to save the changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.